Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, choose the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to, or just close it right away by hitting OK. Finally, you can click on your device's screens and then select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi. Following that, Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Xiaomi, using all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom, and then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide, close and add, allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code, then wait. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!